I think your teacher has told you already that you are going to do a what? Art? Sorry? A project on vertical
garden.
So here we have a vertical garden. It's prepared like this. Now this is now the vertical and the garden. It is a spiral, right? You have levels, different levels. Okay? Where you can plant the desired crop. And which crop usually planted in the vertical garden? Spinach. Something else? Sorry? Carrot, you can do carrots. What else? Cabbage, yes. Something else that is missing? Kales. Mostly vegetables, right? So you can do vegetables on the vertical garden. So now I want to show you how we usually do it, or how you prepare it at the what? At the garden or at the farm. Okay? So this one now is, first of all, we check if it will be enough, if our space is enough. Okay? So we check before we put the soil. Remember we are going to put the soil on the vertical garden, right? So we first of all do what? We measure if it will be enough on our space. Okay? This one is simple for the soil. Like this, Let me show you. What do your teacher talk about two types of gardening? One? And then we have the... Have you seen a demonstration of a horizontal garden? Why is it? It's there, right? Now here we have our vertical garden. And the reason we usually have, the reason it's very important to have a vertical garden, number one, it is the same space. Use less space and have more what? More plants. Okay? You see this small space that you have? It will have more of the vegetable that you mentioned, right? So it's good to have a vertical garden, okay? So you use less space and you also have what? More plants, Number two, what is the name? Its normal name is a kitchen. This is a kitchen garden. So this is where you'll be getting your vegetables for cooking. So meaning they are also what? They are also healthy. So a vertical garden, what? Number one, there's something I've mentioned. So is what? You have what? A lot of not fruit vegetables. Not a lot of space. A lot of small plants actually. Okay? So another thing for the vertical garden, it will have layers. This will be your first layer, right? Then it will have another one. So it is also beautiful when you have it on the compound. Okay? It is also what? It's also beautiful. So this what we've done now, this is the first level. We'll have like 4 levels of this one. So it will be like that size. So you see now if it's on the environment, it's also what? It's also very beautiful, right? So now I want us to first of all fill. So you start with this one, the first level. You see it's circular. It is circular. So before you set up, you have to make sure it is what? Because of course even the others will be circular, okay? Maybe for example you have spinach and maybe sukuma wiki. So we usually eat sukuma wiki in our home. So instead of going buying them, you get them from there. You see how important it is? You get them from your farm, the one that you've done, the compound, right? So it also saves money, right? It is round, So as you do it, you have to ensure it is round. Is it a full circle? Is ours round?
No.
So what do? We make it round, okay? our first layer. Okay. So our first layer is ready. And if you look at it, how is it?
Great.
And you see it should be
Awesome.
not awesome. It should be circular. Very important. Because our vertical garden is circular, right? So now we go to the next. We go to the next one. Level. Okay. Our second one. Level. Okay. Yes. So now this is how you do the second level. So now what is the next process? We do what?
Level 3.
Add more soil. Very good. We choose different crops on different levels. So which crop do we start on the lower level? No, he's right. We start with Kuma, okay? Because why do we start with Kuma? We have a reason. Because it is?
It is 248.
That is what I'm asking. Why do we start with Kuma? Because they usually grow tall, Okay? Yes. If you started here, very tall.
I don't
we started on the lower level, right? Nice. Kuma wiki, right? So we space them around, That